In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Calendar to Excel in just 3 clicks. This is a super handy process for anyone who needs to organize their schedule into a more universal format, or if you're just looking to keep a backup of your calendar. The best part is that it's quick and straightforward. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to Google Calendar. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in google.com/calendar. If you're already signed in, it will take you directly to your calendar. If not, no worries, it's an easy fix. Go ahead and click on the sign in button, which you'll typically find at the top right corner of the page. Here you'll enter your Google account details. Choose the account you'd like to use if you have multiple, and then type in your password. After that, just click Next or hit enter to complete the sign-in process. Once you're in your Google Calendar, the next step is to access the settings menu. Look toward the top right of the calendar view and you'll see the gear icon. That's your settings menu. Go ahead and click on that. In the drop-down menu that appears, choose Settings. This will open a new page where you have a lot of different options to customize your calendar experience. But for now, we'll focus on exporting. Now in the left side panel, you'll see a list of settings. Scroll down a bit until you find Import and Export. Click there and you'll be presented with options to both import and export events. Since we're exporting here, go ahead and hit the Export button. What this does is download your calendar events into a zip file. Unzip this file and you'll find .is files inside, which are essentially files that contain your calendar information. To convert these IC files to Excel, you'll need to use a bit of a workaround since Excel doesn't open .ics files directly. One simple method is to use an online conversion tool. Just upload your .ics file to the tool, select CSV as the output format, and download the new file. Open this CSV file with Excel, and voila, you now have all your Google Calendar events neatly laid out in your Excel spreadsheet, and there you have it. Now you know how to export your Google Calendar events to Excel in just a few clicks. It's a useful trick for managing your time more effectively, or simply having an offline backup. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if this video helped you.